Hello, 8th graders. Mr. Koenig here, describing what you'll need to do on the Section 512 Systems of Equations worksheet. I'm assuming you're primarily going to watch this if you had missed class for an appointment, overslept, some other conflict, whatever it may be. But here's how you do this assignment. You're going to start with the do now up top, which you see it says, watch this introductory video about the Iditarod race. You're going to click that blue link, this. It will take you to a video. It's about 3 minutes in length, and it will describe what the heck is the Iditarod race. So you're going to click that and watch that. Step one. All right. That's going to get you into what we did in class today, problem 523. Click this link for problem 523. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Click. All right. This is your kind of core problem for today. It's problem 523. When you first get on this page, you're going to want to read the actual problem. Now, we did this as a group in class today, so if you weren't there, that's fine. You don't have to discuss it with other people. But you do have to use the graph over here, system of equations, to answer these questions. For your reference, they're actually on the e-tool. When you answer them, though, they have to go on your worksheet. So A, B, C, D, E right here. All right, so answer those questions using the e-tool that you just saw. After that, there was a group discussion in class. Obviously, if you're doing this late or for whatever reason, you don't have to do a group discussion. There might not be a group around. If you want to talk to your family about your awesome math assignment, brother or sister, mom, grandma, whoever, you can feel free to talk to them about this awesome math assignment, but this is not required. I don't know if you're actually going to do it. Okay, problem 525 is the next one. It says the meaning of a point of intersection depends on what the graph is describing. For example, in problem 523, the point where Joyla and Evie's lines cross represents when they met during the race, the Iditarod. Examine each of the graphs below and write a brief story that describes the information on the graph. Include a sentence explaining what the point of intersection represents. And you know what? I actually didn't do that. I didn't read the directions well enough. So I'm going to add that at the end of my response live. Okay? So look at this graph right here. And here's what I said about this graph. It said the graph at right represents changes in temperature at different times in spring for two cities, San Francisco and Rio de Janeiro. As the time progresses during the spring, Rio de Janeiro's temperature gradually decreases, while San Francisco's temperature increases at a more rapid rate and eventually becomes hotter than Rio de Janeiro. And then do something. Say the point of intersection represents the time during spring where the two cities have the same temperature. Okay, so that's the type of thing that you want to do for B, C, and D. Describe, write a story about what you're seeing. Make sure to include that point of intersection, what it means. Because I didn't do that, because I didn't read directions apparently the first time. You would think I would, but I didn't. All right, so good luck with this. Please email or reach out to your teachers if you have any questions. And again, good luck.